Welcome to the episode on IDOR, Insecure Direct Object Referencing. This is basically about finding ways or hacking ways of seeing if we can get into other user accounts somehow. Maybe do some privilege escalation of some type. So I'm already on a admin account, but it'd be interesting to see if we can get access to other people, other profiles, without even using a password. It's possible, but I mean, it's very unlikely in today's day and age. But we'll go over here. So we're in this website called hackyourselffirst.com. I'm going to click on admin here and my account and go to edit profile. And I can see up here that I've got a number. This is my profile number, 585. I wonder if I can put another number in there, if I will be able to get someone else's profile. Let's have a look. This is a bit of trial and error, hit and miss. We might get it, we might not get it. And it looks like we haven't got anything just yet. We'll keep looking. Maybe go all the way to 1. So I've got to go. I might have to go back to. It looks like I did. Yeah, I have. So I've gone. I can see someone else's user profile now. Let's see if I can get. Oops. Let's see if we can get something else. Looks like not. No, it's just trial and error. Maybe 20. And you can run these kind of things through scripts as well. So I'm back to my normal one. Maybe 4, 5, 6. No, 4, 2, 4. It's just a matter of time. We've already found one anyway. So there we go. This 4, 2, 4. There's another person, I think, or it could be the same one as last time. But anyway, that's some IDOR for you. Obviously it's more of a complicated. There's more out there that you can look around, but try on your own desktops. Go to create something on your machines like Juice Shop or WebGoat or something like that. Go into a profile and manipulate the profile name numbers a little bit. See how you can go. But this is a great little introduction to IDOL. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.